The court has considered that objection and has given us until Monday next week, that is the 14th of October, when we will come back to court for a ruling on whether the charges against the second accused person will be withdrawn. The case is on conspiracy to murder. That the people who have been charged are suspected to have conspired with others who are still in the process of being arrested of killing my clients, who are now the victims in this case. So that is the matter that was reported at Naivasha police station, and now we have a case pending before court. Yes, there are some two other suspects. Unfortunately, this case is about siblings. The suspects, the victims, the accused persons are all people of the same family. So there are two of them who are the authorities are still in pursuit of. They are in the United States. Hopefully, an arrest will be made, and the case will be consolidated with theirs and proceeds with all of them as accused persons.
Today we are here in Naivasha. We had come for pre-trial. We'll be coming back on 14th of October. Basically, the case involves the same family, whereby there are some children of Mzee Mũoyo who have united to see to it that their father faces these charges, and it all boils down to some property that is belongs to one of the daughters of the Mr. Mũoyo. But as the time goes by, we'll be proving and showing to the court that indeed these are trumped up charges in an effort to frustrate him, so that they will be able to let go that case of a property that is owned by one of the daughters. So all our request is that since the matter is in court for now, we be given chance to articulate our case and be able to clearly demonstrate that indeed there are no tangible evidence that can link the Mzee Mũoyo to the offense that he's facing. And again, one comes to wonder, I mean, how can an old man plan to kill his own family? It's not possible.